How to fix Steam not opening on Windows 10 or 11. Steam not launching can be frustrating, especially when you are eager to play your favorite games. Here is a quick guide to troubleshoot and fix Steam not opening. Let's dive in. At the bottom left corner, you will see the search icon. Over there, type in Run. After it appears, click on Open. Now in the box, type in %local app data and then % and click on OK. A new tab will open up. Now from here, locate the file Steam. Once you find it, right click on it, then click on Delete. Now heading towards next solution, close this. Again click on the search bar and then type in Run. Now go ahead and type in steam//flushconfig and click on OK. This will remove all the temporary configuration issues. Next up, what you can do is give a fresh restart to your PC. Click on Start icon, click on this power icon and click on Restart. Lastly, what you have to do is double click on your Steam app. Then select the option of Run as Administrator. Applying all these solutions, your problem will be fixed. So this is how you can easily fix Steam not opening on Windows 10 or 11 and get back to your gaming sections. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.